let's take a look at the reflexive Se for unplanned events. Okay, and we're going to use a formula to learn how to use the reflexive se for unplanned events. The first thing we need is a se, and this se is essentially this se in the title here, plus an indirect object pronoun, plus our verb, which is going to be conjugated in the preterite tense, and finally the subject that is going to do the action of the verb. Okay? Now, the question is, when do we use reflexive se for unplanned events? We use it when the person that does the action wants to eliminate blame. So he or she or they don't want to take blame for something that they had done. Okay? So for example, let's say this is me here, and I go to my friend's house and I ask my friend if I can go into his cupboards and get a bowl so I can eat some cereal. Okay, and so I see this bowl up here, and I go to reach for this bowl and I drop it. And this bowl falls to the ground and it shatters into pieces. And so my friend walks in and he sees this and he's upset, and I say, the bowl got broken by me. And what does this really mean? I broke the bowl. But I don't want to say this right here. And so in Spanish, I'm going to use this structure here because I don't want to take the blame for it. Okay? So how do we say this in Spanish? The first thing we're going to use in our sentence is our se. The second thing we're going to use is an indirect object pronoun. And because I did it, I'm going to use the indirect object pronoun me. And the subject of this sentence is going to be, in Spanish, el plato hondo, so the bowl. And so now I have to conjugate the verb romper in the third person singular, and so I'm going to write rompió. So se me rompió el plato hondo. The bowl got broken by me. Now let's just pretend that there was another bowl up here. Okay, so here's another bowl. And let's just say that both of these bowls fell and hit the ground. And both of them shattered all over the ground. And my friend sees this. He's really upset. So I'm going to change this sentence here to the plural. Okay, so this is singular. And now I'm going to change it to the plural. So I'm going to change this to the plural form and this to the plural form. So se stays the same. Me stays the same. And now el plato hondo is going to become los platos hondos. And rompió is going to now become the third person plural in the preterite. Rompieron. So se me rompieron los platos hondos. The bowls got broken by me, or I broke the bowls. Okay? Take a look at the reflexive se for unplanned events. Remember, they eliminate blame or remove blame from the person that actually did the action. And if I were you, I would look at the video indirect object pronouns to review them. And I would also review the endings of the preterite tense. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Hasta luego.